Now I am going to teach you how to make this moon journal in case you do not have a printer at home. First of all, can you help me count how many squares there are? First, we're going to count how many squares in one column. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Now we're going to count them across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Now, to make this table, we're going to draw 4 squares down and 7 squares across. All we need is a piece of paper and a pencil. Are you ready? Here we go. The first step will be to draw one big box. Just like that. The second step will be to draw our 7 lines across. To do that, we need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Don't worry if it's not perfect. If you want, you can use a ruler or another piece of paper to help you make the lines. Now, we are going to make the 4 boxes down.